Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to break down a fascinating passage about humor and overreaction. I will, as usual, explain each part in simple English so you can understand it fully. And I will try to write down every chunk from this passage so that you can use in either your speaking or writing. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, more often than not, the person who habitually laughs the longest and loudest when a joke is retold does not possess a particularly keen sense of humor. Xo'p, bizda more often than not deyapti ekan. Let's write down this phrase. More often than not. Xo'p, bu frazani bizda tarjimasi asosan usually degan ma'noda keladi. Usually, okay, in most cases, ko'pincha vaziyatlarda. Endi buni speakingda yoki qanaqa qilib rakni foydalansak bo'ladi. Aytaylik, speakingga yoki oddiy gapiramiz. More often than not, she arrives late to meetings, okay? Odatda u mitinglarga kech keladi. Xo'p, odatda the person who habitually loves the longest, the word habitually means again like regularly, yeah, odatda. Bunga bitta gap tuzib ketamiz biza. Xo'p. He habitually drinks coffee, coffee every morning before work. U ishdan oldin doimo kofe ichadi. Xo'p. The person who habitually laughs longest and loudest, eng baland va judayam baland kuladigan odam odatda when a joke is retold, bitta hazil qaytadan aytilganda does not possess. The word possess means it's an academic way of saying have, okay? Unda yo'q ekan, judayam o'tkir, kulgini tushunish. Xo'p, keen sense of humor yozaylik. A keen sense of humor. Xo'p, buni tarjimasi nima bo'ladi? Ingliz tilidagi definition. A strong, keen bizga strong so'nim bo'lyapti. A strong ability to understand and enjoy humor. Hazilni tushuna olishlik. Bitta gap bilan aytadigan bo'lsak. Xo'p, bunga gap sotadigan bo'lsak. She has a keen sense of humor and always tells the best jokes. Unda hazil uchun olishlik juda ham kuchli va u har doim eng yaxshi so'zlarni, hazillarni aytadi. Pozitsiyasiga ham buzib ketaylik. Hop aytaylik. My friend doesn't possess any superpowers, okay? Let's continue. Xo'p, aytdik bizada bitta odam kimki har doim baland va uzoq kuladigan bo'lsa, qachonki bitta hazil qaytadan aytilganda, unda hazilni tushuna olishlik hissi yo'q ekan. Xo'p, o'qishda davom etamiz. Though he may not admit it. Biz aytayotdik ekan, though he may not admit it. Though degani garchi. U buni tan olmasa ham, he's vaguely aware of his deficiency. Okay, let's write down the words to be vaguely aware of. Aware of. It means to know something unclearly, okay? Unclear. Biror narsani yaxshi tushunmaslik, ya'ni noaniq tushunish. Aytaylik, I was vaguely aware of my mistakes when I was writing an essay. Okay. Bu gapda aytdik. Man judayam noaniq darajada xabardor edim o'zim qilayotgan mistaklardan. Qachonki essay yozayotganimda. Okay, let's continue. Buni tamomlasa ham, nimani tamomlasa ham, işte unda hazilni tushuna olish hissi yo'qligini tamomlasa ham, he's vaguely aware of his deficiency. Deficiency degan yetishmovchiligi. U o'zini yetishmovchiligidan sal xabardor. Biror narsani aniq tushunmas ekan, lekin sal bilar ekan. And frequently goes to extremes. Va tez-tez odatda goes to extremes. Go to extremes degan bizada biror narsani judayam nima desa bo'ladi buni? To make a big effort da. To make a big effort. In Uzbek we can say judayam qattiq harakat qilish. Okay? I went to extremes to please my mother. Oyimni xursand qilish uchun judayam katta effort qildim. Xo'p, keyingi bizada cover up something. Cover something up degan narsa, buni tarjimasi biror narsani yashirish, like let's say to hide something, okay? Bu so'zdan foydalanamiz. Go to extreme'dan foydalanib, kelasini qo'shib gapiramiz. We can say he went to extremes to cover up his mistakes at work. Okay, very good to go. Yeah, doesn't. What's wrong with this one? Double S, yeah. Okay, double S. We forgot it. Really sorry. Okay, let's continue. Bizada aytdi, u tushunmasa ham, что hazilli, lekin u bilar ekan. Buni tomiydi, u hazil tushunmasligini tomiydi deyapti, lekin u odatda nima qilar ekan? Judayam katta harakat qilar ekan, buni yashirgani, hazilli tushunmasligini. Xo'p, davom etamiz. A mediocre joke is likely to get as big a rise out of him as a truly humorous one. Bitta oddiy hazil judayam bir kulgili hazildek bir xil darajada uni kuldirar ekan. Xo'p, aytyapti bizada oddiy hazil aytilsa ham u shunaqa darajada kular ekanki, seryozni judayam bir zo'r hazil aytilsa ham bir xil kular ekan ikkalasiga. Unga kamroq kulib, ili bunga ko'proq kulmasa ekan, ikkalasiga ham hazilni qanaqa bo'lishidan qat'iy nazar bir xil kular ekan. Xo'p, to get a rise out of someone. Buni tarjimasi bizada to make someone react, let's say emotionally. Buni tarjimasi kimdir emotsionalniy reaksiya ko'rsatishiga olib kelish. Aytaylik, biror kishi juda ham qattiq kulib, katta reaksiya ko'rsatadigan bo'lsa, get a rise out of someone bo'ladi. Xo'p, bunga bitta gap tuzaylik, tushunishga osonroq qilish uchun. Let's say he keeps making jokes about cooking just to get a rise out of me. U ovqat pishirish bo'yicha hazil qilishda davom etadi. Shunchaki meni kuldirish uchun, shunchaki meni reaksiya keltirish uchun degan ma'noda kelyapti bu yerda. Xo'p, o'qishda davom etamiz. Psychological studies, o'sha psixologiyaga bog'liq tadqiqotlar likewise. Likewise ya'ni xuddi bir xil darajada degan ma'nosini beradi. In the same way, okay? In the same way yoki similarly deb qo'ysak bo'ladi. Similarly. Okay. Bunga bitta gap qo'yaylik. Let's say I think that this sentence is enough, but let's make one more. Okay. Boxing is dangerous. Taekwondo. Is it written in this way? Yeah, Taekwondo. Likewise, in the same way, similarly, shunga o'xshash darajada. Likewise, requires a lot of effort. Let's continue. O'sha psixologiyaga bog'liq tadqiqotlar xuddi shunaqa darajada ko'rsatdiki, that people with a really keen sense of humor are not prone to much laughter. Hazilni yaxshi tushunadigan odamlar, mana, keen sense of humor, juda ham hazilni tushuna olish qobiliyati bor odamlar are not prone to much laughter. Kulishga uncha ehtimoli yo'q ekan. Bizada to be prone to. Buni tarjimasi nima? To be prone to degani bironasi ehtimoli bor. Tend to desak bo'ladi. Likely to deb gap tuzsak bo'ladi. Bitta gap qo'yilib bunga ham. Children are prone to eating a lot of sweets. Keyin ahamiyat beramiz. Prone to ko'pincha vaziyatlarda negativga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Tend to pozitivga ham negativga ham ishlatsa bo'ladi buni. Ikkalasi ma'nosi ham moyilligi bor degan ma'noni beradi bizada. Bolalar ko'p shirinliklar yeyishga moyilligi bor deymiz. Xo'p, gapida ham eronmat ko'rib chiqamiz. Psixologiyaga, psixologiya tadqiqotlari bir xil darajada ko'rsatdiki, что odamlar kimdaki judayam hazilli, yaxshi tushuna olish hissi bor, ular nima qilishmas ekan, judayam ko'p kulishga moyili yo'q ekan ularni. They are highly appreciative of humor. To be appreciative of something means to be appreciative of something. It means thankful, okay? Thankful or grateful for something. Biror narsani qadrlaydigan bo'ladigan bo'lsa, to be appreciative of bo'ladi. Ular hazilni judayam hurmat qilishadi. But they are also discriminating. Discriminate degani ajratish degan. Biror bir yaxshi narsani yomon narsani ajratish. Buni verbga aylantiradigan bo'lsak, to discriminate. To, let me change it. Oh, I think I have to write it down. Discriminate. Okay. It means to see the difference between two things. Ikki narsa o'rtasidagi farqni ko'ra olish. Gap tuzadigan bo'lsak bunga. Let's say let's say a trained ear can discriminate between different musical notes. For example, musicians have a very trained ear that can discriminate between different musical notes. That's it. Or also you can say, let me make a bit better example that makes the word easier to understand. Okay, let's say he is the guy who can discriminate let's say discriminate reasons between lies and facts. We can also say in this way, yeah? Okay, we have to be appreciative of. We can say, I am really appreciative of all the help you have given me, okay? Menga bergan hamma yordamingdan minnatdorman deb gapirsak bo'lar ekan. Xo'p, aytdik, ular juda ham minnatdor ekan, ular juda ham hurmat qilishar ekan, nimani? Humorni. Lekin ular shuningdek farq qiluvchilar desak bo'ladi. Yomon narsani, biron narsani yaxshi narsani yomondan ajrata olishadi. And they never overreact. Va ular hech qachon reaksiya ko'rsatishmaydi. Qanaqa reaksiya? Juda ham katta reaksiya. Xo'p, pasachi bitta samarasi qoladigan bo'lsak. Aytyapti bizada odatda ba'zi odamlar kimki juda ham bir uzun va baland ko'radigan bo'lsa, ularda hazilni tushuna olish hissi yo'q ekan. Ular buni tushunmasa ham, tushunmasa emas, ularni buni tan olmasa ham, ular buni sal qaysidir ma'noda bilishar ekan, что ularda hazilni tushuna olmaslik hissi bor. Va odatda ular juda ham qattiq harakat qilishar ekan, buni yashirgani. Va qachonki oddiy hazil bo'lsa ham, ular nima qilishar ekan? Bir juda ham kulgili hazil bo'lsa ham, ikkalasiga ham bir xil darajada reaksiya ko'rsatishar ekan. Hazil oddiy bo'ladimi yoki juda ham kuchli bo'ladimi? farqi yo'q ekan. Bir xil reaksiya ko'rsatishar ekan. Psixologiyaga oid tadqiqotlar ham shuni ko'rsatdiki, işte odamlarda qachon kunlarda judayam bir hazilni tushuna olishlik hissi bo'ladigan bo'lsa, ular uncha kulishga moyilligi bo'lmas ekan. Ular hazilni judayam katta hurmat qilishar ekan va ular nima qilishar ekan? Ajrata olishar ekan. Bunisi yaxshi, bunisi yomon deb. Va ular hech qachon keragidan ortiq reaksiya ko'rsatmas ekan. Xo'p, passage tushunib oldik. Endi exercise'ga o'tamiz. Bizda yaxshi ancha so'zlar chiqdi. I think we are going to have a lot of new words from here as well. Okay, let's continue. Usually, according to someone's usual behavior. Da bu bizada habitually edi. Habitually. Okay, let's continue. Tell, repeat, having heard from someone else. Biror narsani eshitib bo'lgandan keyin qaytib aytib berish. Bizada bu adashmasam retold bo'ldi ekan. Okay, retold. Buni verb one read tell bo'ladi. Have, own. Biror narsa egalik qilish. Bu bizada possess bo'ldi. Possess asosan formal vaziyatlarda ishlatiladi. More than normally, noticeably. Odatdan ko'proq, sezilarli. Possess a particularly, yeah? Particularly, yeah. Next one. Sharp, strong, active, very aware. Judayam kuchli. Keen bo'ldi bizada. Bunga gap qo'ysak bo'ladi. I have a keen interest for football. Okay, we can say. Let's continue. Ability to see when someone is amusing, when something is amusing. Amusing degani bizada funny degani, funny degani. Biror narsani ko'ra olishlik, qachonki biror narsa kulgili bo'ladigan bo'lsa, bu bizada a sense of humor bo'ldi. Sense of humor. Only to a small degree, not clearly. Judayam kichkina darajada. Uncha aniq emas. Bu bizada vaguely bo'ldi. Okay, let's continue. Shortage or lack of something, weakness. Biror narsaning yetishmovchiligi, yetishmasligi. Bu bizada deficiency bo'ldi. Deficiency. Often, this is. This is frequently, yeah? Do more than is considered reasonable or acceptable. Keragidan ortiq qilish. Goes to extremes, yeah? Go to extremes. Not very good, of a poor standard. Judayam yaxshi emas, unchalik yaxshi emas. Bu bizda mediocre bo'lyapti. Buni tarjimasi o'rtacha deb aytsak bo'ladi buni. Very probable the case to be expected. Biror narsa kutilinishi. Likely, yeah. We can say it's likely to rain tomorrow. It's likely that it will rain tomorrow because of the weather forecast, we can say. Cause someone to react with laughter, anger. Bu narsa bizada nima edi? Get a rise out of someone. Get a rise out of someone. Moreover, in a similar way, that was likewise, yeah? Next one, have a tendency, generally behave in a certain way. Moyilligi bo'lish. Bu bizada prone to'ga to'g'ri keldi. Keyin bu yerda yaqin beradigan bo'lsak, have a tendency dan foydalansak bo'ladi. Masalan, I have a tendency to sleep earlier, okay? Next one, feeling enjoyment, pleasure and understanding. Biror narsani tushunishlik va unga aytaylik zavq ko'rsatish. Bu bizada appreciative, yeah? Appreciative. And the last one, able to recognize good quality, able to see small differences between good and bad. That was discriminating, yeah? Discriminating. Hop, exercise 1 bizda tugadi, exercise 2 o'tamiz. Choose the correct answer according to the passage. Okay, without further ado, let's continue. According to the writer, if it isn't necessarily true that bu unchalik muhim emas deyapti bizada. Hop, mediocre jokes are only laughed at by people with no sense of humor. Bu haqida bizga aytyapti bizda oddiy hazillar faqatgina hazilni tushunolmaydigan, hazilni tushunish qilsa bo'lmaydigan odamlar orqali kulinadi. No, I think we don't have any information about this one. Next one. People with a keen sense of humor never overreact. Odamlarda qachonki bir hazilni tushuna olish bo'ladigan bo'lsa, ular hech qachon keragidan ortiq reaksiya ko'rsatmaydi. Hmm, bu yaqin javob. Agar bu to'g'ri keladigan bo'lsa, bunga qaytib kelamiz. That's a very close answer, okay? Um, a person who is aware of his weak sense of humor will always overreact. U o'zini kamchiligidan, hazilni tushuna olmaslik kamchiligini biladigan bo'lsa, hech qachon ortiqcha reaksiya ko'rsatmaydi. Nabroti bizda u ozgina biladi, lekin u постоянно overreact qilardi. Some jokes are better than others. Bizda bu comparison yo'q edi. The longer a person laughs, the keener his sense of humor. U ko'proq kuladigan bo'lsa, uni hazilni tushuna olishligi keyin bo'lardi. Nima edi? Bizda o'tkir bo'lardi. Hop, bizda aytib ketdi. Hmm, does not possess a particularly keen sense of humor. Bu bizada mana shunisi noto'g'ri bo'ldi. Biz aytdik, it isn't necessarily true that. To'g'ri emasda. Bizda B to'ppa-to'g'ri edi. O'shaning uchun bizda B ham chiqib ketdi. Bu yerda the longer a person loves, the keener his sense of humor. Nabarot edi. Bizda aytdi qachonki u longer va louder kuladigan bo'lsa, unda hazilni tushuna olishlik hissi bo'lmaydi. Xo'p, bu yerdan ham bitta grammatik o'rgansak bo'ladi. The more degan narsa. The more, the more. Ko'proq o'qiydigan bo'lsang, yaxshiroq natija olasan degan gap bor, to'g'rimi bizda? The more you study, the higher score you get. Yana bitta gap tuzaylik. The earlier I sleep, vohiyroq uxlasam, vohiyroq turaman. The earlier I get up. That's it. Xo'p, keyingisiga o'tamiz. Those with a really keen sense of humor, hazilni juda ham yaxshi tushuna oladiganlar, never show it through laughter. Hech qachon kulish orqali ko'rsatmaydi. Bu haqida bizga informatsion etilgani yo'q. Tell mediocre jokes to make other people overreact. Nothing about it. Don't appreciate the company of those with a poor sense of humor. Appreciate the company of those, ya'ni biror kishilar bilan bo'lishni maza qilmaydi, ulardan hurmat qilmaydi. Ularda qanaqa bo'lsa, aytaylik, hazilni tushuna olishlik hissi bo'lmasa. Aytyapti bu gapni. Agar odamda hazilni tushuna olishlik hissi bo'lmasa, ular bilan o'tirganni maza qilmaydi o'tirganidan. Bunda ham bizga informatsiya berilgani yo'q. Are able to distinguish between good and bad jokes. Bu gap bilan bizda bitta discriminating deb ketdi boya bizda. Xo'p, out bo'ladi bizda ham. Uchinchisi. The writer believes that by overreacting to a joke, some people are trying to hide the shortcomings in their sense of humor. Bu bizda aytilgan edi. Mana. So, though he may not admit it, he's vaguely aware of his deficiency and frequently goes to extremes. Judayam qattiq harakat qiladi, buni yashirgani. Bizda ham xuddi shu narsa aytdi. Some people are trying to hide the shortcomings. Bizda bu deficiency synonym bo'ldi. In their sense of humor. Yeah, that is the answer. That's it. Vocabulary ko'rib ketsak bo'ladi. Bizda birinchisi. Feel inadequate. The word inadequate means inadequate, yeah. It means not enough. Okay? Va buni poor deb aytsak ham bo'ladi. Let's say inadequate amount of funds made it difficult to help disabled people. Nogiron odamlarga yordam berishi qiyinroq qildi. Nima qiyinroq qildi? Yetarlicha bo'lmagan Yig'ilgan pullar. Okay. Next one. You spoil the humor for other people. Spoil the humor. So the word spoil the humor means to tell humor, yeah? That's what you can say also, yeah? Okay. I'll leave it for you to make up sentences. I mean, did I say it correctly? I think I did. Synonyms. Let's see the synonyms. Treat, pander to. Really? I think the spoil the humor means tell humor. Okay, for the record, let's check it out. I'm not really sure about it. Okay. Spoil the humor means internet is lacking. To ruin. Buzish again. Okay, you see? To ruin or diminish the enjoyment of comedic effect of something. Okay, let's fix it. To ruin the humor. Yeah, hazırlı buzish. Etelik. My friends spoiled the humor when we went to a comedy show. Qachonki biz komediya shouga borganimizda do'stim hazilni buzib qo'ydi degan kelyapti. Okay, a person can demonstrate how mediocre it is. Demonstrate means show. I think you know it. A person shows how discriminating he is about humor. Okay, next one. As young children, we observe a lot of language before we utter our first words. Okay. بالتالي معناته بالذات observe a lot of language. Observe a lot of language. It means take in a lot of language. Judayam ko'p tilni qabul qilish. Bu gapirma deyilmoqda. Qachonki biz yosh bola bo'lganimizda ko'p she'riydan eshitamiz, qanaqa qilib expression ko'rsatish, qanaqa qilib gapirishni. And in these situations, we observe a lot of language, okay? And the word utter means like speak, okay? To, you know, to speak, yeah, in this case. But we are saying as young children, we take in a lot of language, we hear a lot of new words from people before we speak our first words. That's it. And the next one. Something when we are learning a second language, we shouldn't be expected to produce it until we have taken it. Likewise, yeah. Xuddi shunga o'xshash darajada qachonki biz ikkinchi til o'rganayotganimizda biz kutilishimiz kerak emas. O'sha language chiqargani. Biz o'zimiz uni yaxshilab olgunimizcha. He's very something, and he immediately notice if we serve him a cheap bottle of wine. So he's very aware, maybe not aware. He's very something, he will immediately notice, sezadi deyapti tezligini. Bu bizda bo'lishi mumkin. Boyagi narsa yomon va yaxshini ajrata oladigan. Discriminating, yeah. Discriminating. U judayam farqini ajrata oladigan odam. U tezda payqaydi agar biz unga arzon borolda wine beradigan bo'lsak. I something remember you telling me this before. Buni man zo'rg'a anaqa unclearly eslayman bo'ladi. I vaguely remember you telling me this before, but tell me again, as I have forgotten most of the details. Okay. He's good at all the sciences, something, physics, and he seems to understand even the most complicated concepts with no effort at all. Okay. We can say particularly, yeah, asosan. He is good at all the sciences. U hamma ilmiy subjektlarda kuchli, yaxshi. Asosan fizikada. Va u shunaqa ko'rinadiki, eng qiyin nazariyalarni ham, konseptlarni ham tushunadi. Harakat qilmasdan вообще bilyapti. Oxirgisi, I am something to be home late this evening, so don't wait to eat if you're hungry. احتمال بار demak javob. I'm likely to be home late this evening, so don't wait to eat if you're hungry. So that was pretty much it for our topic today's. So thank you for watching the video and don't forget to leave your comments under the post. See you in our next videos.